Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are looking at angles. This is geometry, okay? So if you are writing SAT exams, we have four sections for maths, geometry and trigonometry. That's one. You have algebra, you have statistics, okay, which is like data, and there's another one, okay? But I'm excited because look at this now. If you've been following me, you know I've been using small whiteboard. It's there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyways, if not, okay. So I've got this big one. The only thing now we have to improve, guys, about the lights, we have to get this place electrified so we can have like a more brighter place. Okay. So let's solve this question. Um, in the figure, AC is equal to CD. The one thing about geometry, and this is I think why I won't be rushing again, because I think I need to be able to explain to you guys, especially something I know, for you guys to understand, not just for this video, but in subsequent videos, you should be able to solve so many problems. And one thing about geometry, geometry has rules. And if you understand those concepts, those theories, it's so key. That's the most important thing. And make sure you read the question. As you read the question, try to interpret. Easy. Okay? This one says, in the figure, AC is equals to CD. AC is equals to CD. So let's say if we have two lines here, this again, two lines. This means they are equal. Okay. Now, if they are equal, remember, ADC is a triangle. And if you have this length and this length being equal, it means that their angles are also the same. So this can be y, and this again can be y. The base of their angles can be the same, okay? Because this triangle is called an isosceles triangle, okay? Isosceles triangle. So that's the first thing you have to identify. Now, once you know that, it says the measure of the angle EBC. We have, here is EBC. Okay, so the middle letter has the angle, which is what? 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. And the angle ACD is 104. ACD is 104. So this angle here is 104. Okay. What is the value of x? Or what is this x? So now how can we solve x? The first thing we have to do for us to get x, there are many ways actually we can solve this one. But this is what I want us to do. X here, let's get this rule out of the way. X degrees is equals to y degrees plus this 45. And I will tell you what. And the other thing about geometry, always once you've written an equation, you have to write the reason. If I say x degrees equals to y degrees plus 45 degrees, why is that the case? It says one exterior angle, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. Okay, so that is the rule, and it has been there, and you can prove that. Okay, so now once you know that, let's keep this equation. So we say x degrees equals to y degrees plus 45 degrees. Let's put that as equation 1, and the reason being because I need to find y. Now all we have to do is just for us to find y. How do we get y? We know this is a triangle. Okay, you see, in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, y plus 104, see y plus y plus 104 equals to 180 degrees. This again, you write the rules. You write the reason, rather. You say sum of angles in a triangle. So this one, you can write it in full. I'm just writing the symbol, triangle. Now this and this gives you, of course, 2y plus 104 equals 180 degrees. You are in need of y. So you minus here by 104 minus 104 here. This and this goes to 2y is equals to 180 minus 104. In that exams, you are going to use a calculator. So just use it. 180, 104, 76 degrees. But if you are in need of y divided by 2, this by 2, this and this goes. So my y is equals to 2 here, 2 here, this is 3, remainder 1, and that gives you 38 degrees. Okay? And that is just for y. Now, once you know y, you substitute here. So therefore, say from equation 1, therefore my x degrees is equals to y is now 38 plus 45 degrees. And this, you can add 8 plus 5 gives you 13. You put 3, remainder 1. This and this gives you 7. And so this means this is 8 degrees. Hence the value of x is 83 degrees. Quite easily done. Okay? Please share, like, and follow for more. So by the time we get this lightning sorted, trust me, you guys, I'll try to explain the very best, especially things that I know. Okay? See you guys. Bye bye. Don't forget, subscribe to my new YouTube channel if you're watching this video on TikTok or Facebook. Bye bye, guys.